It's easy to get started with KisanHub's My Farm application. First off, we need to find your farm. Click on the search icon in the top right hand corner of the map. Type in the street address or postcode of your farm and press enter. Then, left click on your farm from the drop down results. This will take you straight to the location of your farm. Once here and you can verify that it's your location, head to the bottom right hand corner of the map. Click the plus icon and click Add Farm. This will give you a cursor that you can place on your farm. We recommend that you place the cursor on the buildings at the centre of your farm. Left click once and this will bring up the Add Farm menus. Here you can enter the name of your farm, the location and add any notes that you wish to add. Hit Submit and your farm is ready to go. Once you've added your farm, it's time to add some field boundaries. To do this, head to the bottom right hand corner and click the plus icon. Then hit the second icon down from the top that says Add Field. This will give you a plotting cursor. By left clicking once, you can place a plot point around a field. This allows you to draw a shape around your field boundary. To get the most out of the platform, it's really important that you make sure these plots are accurate. The more plot points you add, the more accurate your field boundary will be. If you happen to misplace a certain plot point, no bother, just click the escape key on your keyboard and this will let you start over. To complete a field boundary, all you need to do is left click back on the first plot point that you put down. This should close the shape up and complete an entire boundary of your field. Once your field boundary is complete, an Add Field menu will pop up. On the top drop down, select the farm that the field corresponds to. Next, enter the name of the field and then enter the soil type of this field. If you think it's necessary, you can alter the workable area of the field that has been calculated by your plot points. Once you're happy, click Submit. You can then repeat this process for all the fields on your farm. Now that all your fields are plotted, it's time to add some crops for this growing season. You can add crops either into an entire field boundary or you can split the varieties of your crop within certain field boundaries. First of all, we'll look at how to add a crop to an entire field boundary. To get started, click on the plus button in the bottom right hand corner. Select the icon that says Add Crop. Within the field that you wish to place a crop, create a closed shape using the cursor. Once you've plotted a closed shape, the Add Crop menu will pop up. Select the box that says Use Field Boundary. The platform now knows that you wish to plant this crop across the entire field boundary. Once you've done that, you can change the name of the plot to anything you like. Then, from the drop down, select the crop that you wish to plant in this plot. If you wish, you can select the exact products that you wish to plant. Make sure you've got the correct soil type and planted area, and when you're happy, click Submit. And with that, your crop is planted. You can get more information on the crop you've just planted by left clicking on the shaded area. Here, you can see more details about the crop itself, upcoming and past operations for the crop, your diary for crop monitoring, as well as hyperlocal weather data for that field. The KisanHub platform also allows you to add split varieties within the same field. To do this, head to the plus icon in the bottom right hand corner. Select Add Crop and plot the planted area of a crop within the corresponding field. Once you've created a closed shape, the Add Crop menu will pop up. This time, make sure you don't tick the box that says Use Field Boundary. Change the plot name to anything you like, and select the crop type from the drop down. Next, select the appropriate product from the list that corresponds to the crop. This lets the platform know which variety of the crop you're going to be planting. Ensure the soil type and the planted area are correct, and click Submit when you're happy. To add a second variety to the field, all you need to do is repeat the process, but select a different crop product from the drop-downs. So, to do this, head back to the plus button, select Add Crop, and plot the second boundary within the field. Change the plot name to something appropriate. Select the crop from the drop-down, and the different product type. Again, make sure you've got the right soil type and the right planted area, and click Submit when you're happy. Now you have two different varieties of crop within the same field. The KisanHub platform allows you to upload previously collected data on your farms, fields and crops. This convenient data transfer means that you don't have to manually re-enter all the data that you've collected over the years. To upload this data, head to the plus icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then select the Upload icon. This will bring you to the Upload Data menu. From the top drop down, select Field Boundary in the data categories. Select the data provider that you previously used and enter the data type. Then click the Choose File button. Find the appropriate data file, select it and click Open. Once you've selected the correct file, click Submit. This will then upload your data to the KisanHub platform, all ready to use. Once all of your farms, fields and crops are set up, we recommend that you subscribe to KisanHub's satellite imagery services for your farm. This service uses NDVI data to measure which areas of your fields are yielding well and which are not. This allows you to make use of varied rate applications to apply treatments and sprays with more efficiency across your farm, improving your yields. To get set up with the satellite services, left click on a field you want to monitor. The information screen will pop up on the left hand side of the map. On this screen, select the icon that says Subscribe to Satellite Services. Left click on the field again, then click the icon in the bottom right hand corner that says Subscribe to Satellite Services. The Add Satellite Service box will pop up. From the drop down at the top, select the satellite service you wish to subscribe to, and then enter the start date of this service. Once you've done this, click Subscribe. This will send a request to us at KisanHub and you'll be up and running in no time.